Hi Gemini's, how you guys doing? I hope you all are great. I hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe. I hope you like my reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Also, one more important thing, guys. If you want to support my channel, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. Kindly donate. I'll be grateful to you. If you want to book one-on-one reading with me, the details of the reading is also given in the description box below. Kindly check out the, if this resonates with you, it's good. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, so I'll be doing the reading for the month of April, May and June, how your upcoming months will be. It's just an overview. I cannot get into the depth reading right now, but yeah, just an overview for you guys. Okay, yes. And also one more thing, guys, I am just uh, thinking about how your month will be, guys, how your month will be. So let's check it out. Okay, okay, for the month of April, for the month of May, and for the month of June. Okay, okay, wait, my cards are blowing up. Okay, wait, Ace of Swords, Eight of Cups, the World. Okay, okay, guys, let's talk about this. Okay, okay, Geminis, you are thinking about a new beginning. Okay, about marriage, and you have to take a decision, you have to make a choice, but you can right now stuck up with the this decision, that whether I should move forward, whether I should go with this new beginning of marriage or not right now. Okay, like, should I proceed further or not? Okay, so you are looking for a new beginning, and it is related to a relationship, because there is 1111 card, which is an angel number. So you are thinking about this choice. Okay, a choice has to be made, which you haven't made right now. Okay, in the month of May, you're thinking about something, you're thinking to make an offer, offer of clarity and communication in the month of May. Okay, in the month of June. Okay, you're walking away from some uh, false hope, dishonesty. You're releasing a lot of things in your life in the month of June, and you're walking away from something. There's a world card and 10 of cups. That means you are completing a cycle, completing a cycle of something which is related to making a choice, making a decision of whatever it is. So you are completing, you are in a completion of that cycle in the month of June. That cycle will be completed, and you'll be walking away from someone or something, and it will give you happiness of an emotional fulfillment. Okay, for you guys, a lot of happiness will be there when it comes to making a decision, making a choice ultimately, and following your own path, and following your, trusting your own intuitions. Okay, so let's check out then overview, overall energy for you guys, universal message, overall universal message for you guys. Okay, let me clarify Nine of Swords, because Nine of Swords means sleepless nights for you guys. You will be going through some sleepless nights, okay, in the upcoming months. And the Chariot. Okay, so you are going to you'll be going through some sleepless nights, or you'll be depressed or sad about something, thinking contemplating about some things, but ultimately you will be moving away from a situation. You are walking away from a bad situation, toxic people or toxic relationship, whatever it was. So you are walking away from those things, okay? So yes guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, if you want to support my channel and help me with the help of donation, you can check out the link below of the donation, and I'll be grateful to you. And also, if you want to book one-on-one on reading with me, you can check out the details in the description box below. So yes, okay, thank you so much guys, bye.